Hey witches, Tiffany here, and today I want to talk about Litha. This is the summer solstice, and this year it's going to happen on June 20th, that's of the year 2020, and if you want to get super specific, it'll be at 2:43 p.m. California time. Litha, also known as Midsummer, is the longest day and shortest night. It's when crops start reaching full maturity and the sun is at the peak of its strength. Light is maxing out and we are about to welcome in the dark as the nights get progressively longer. So this is a really good time for personal growth, shadow work. If you're interested in decorating, you could decorate your home or altar with seashells, potpourri, dried herbs, seasonal summer fruits and flowers, and of course, images of the sun. After all, we are honoring the sun here, and therefore fire is a great way to symbolize that within your home. Don't set your home on fire, but you know, candles and stuff. You want to look at using any colors that represent summertime. Blue for the bright blue skies, red for roses, any color that a flower comes in, greens, and then of course yellow and gold to represent, once again, the sun. As far as activities go, apart from shadow work, you can meditate, observing the light and dark in both yourself and the world around you. Light a white or yellow candle, especially one in front of a mirror. I got that going right here. To honor the sun. Get outdoors, have a picnic, dance, sing, whatever it is what you gotta do, just go for a long walk. It's a good time for spells for healing, prosperity, and love, a good time for divination for love, and a lot of people like to do or redo their initiations at this time. Some extra fun things you can do is build yourself a little crown of flowers. Make sure to eat fresh fruit and vegetables. Personally, I love to make a fruit salad for this time. You can leave out cakes and honey as offerings. And hey, if you get a chance, go watch Midsummer Night's Dream, because from my pagan point of view, Shakespeare knew what he was talking about. All right, so that's it. I hope you have a wonderful Litha. Obviously, I haven't decorated my altar yet, but at the time I'm filming this, it's only June 3rd, so what are you gonna do? All right, leave a comment below with all the things you plan on doing for Litha. I'd love to hear your thoughts and traditions. Like and subscribe, email and Instagram, and I'll see you all soon.